Ride the ABC train across the learning board. Choo-choo.
Do A, A is for train across the learning board.
Do A is for apple, red and sweet. Do B is for ball that bounces on your feet. Do C is for cat who purrs all day. Do D is for drum that we love to play.
Chugga chugga clap and sing. Ride the train, learn everything.
E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for frog, who jumps along. And G is for giraffe, so very tall. H is for hat, wear it in the hall. Woo-hoo. Here we go, the ABC train goes fast and slow. Choo-choo.
I is for igloo, made of ice.
J is for jam, that tastes so nice. K is for kite, flying in the sky. L is for lion, with a mighty cry. Yo, choo choo, chug chug, the train won't stop. Let's keep going till we reach the top. M is for monkey, swinging in the tree. N is for nest, with eggs we see. O is for octopus, swimming in the sea. The P is for panda, climbing happily. The Q is for queen, wearing her crown. R is for rainbow, colors all around. S is for sun, shining so bright. The T is for train, what a fun sight. U is for umbrella, for rainy days. V is for violin, the music plays. W is for whale, who sings a song. X is for xylophone, come play along. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zebra, the stripes of brown. Now you know your ABCs, riding through with songs and glee. The ABC train has reached the end, but come back soon, my learning friend.
Don't die, and it's for cheating across the learning